Okay, guys, it's me again, Comey, the guy with the dull and boring voice. Now, it is now at night. I'm gonna show you the headlight. My lighting project that I talked about. Putting a pair of LED light on Streetfighter Headlight unit. There we go. I'll show you before I show you the project I did compared with the motorcycle headlight. I'm going to show you how the original headlight on this Streetfighter headlight fairing look like. Here I got another one that didn't modify with the LED light, just the stock one, the overheating one. Okay, here we go. I'm going to connect the power to it and see how bright it is. Give me a second. Okay, there you go. The light's on, and see how bright it is. So you can see the light is not very bright, and you actually can see the road with this headlight. Now I'm gonna put this headlight aside, and I'm gonna try the, give me a second, try the modified headlight I have there. I don't have two motorcycles, so I'm gonna use the bicycle. I have mounted the modified Streetfighter headlight on it, and then compare with the motorcycle next to it. Give me a second. Okay, now I have the parking light on both the motorcycle and the bicycle. I'm going to turn on the low beam in a minute. You can see the low beam on the Streetfighter headlight unit with the LED light, and compare with the motorcycle one. I'm going to turn on the high beam. Okay, that's the high beam on both the motorcycles and the bicycle. I'm going to show you another view. Give me a second, take the camera out from the stand. It's gonna be a bit rocky. Okay, so now I'm walking over to the bicycle and the motorcycle. Now both on high beam. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the motorcycle light and let you see Okay, motorcycle light off. This is the high beam of the motorcycle only. High beam of the motorcycle only. And now I'm going to turn back the headlight, the Streetfighter headlight with the high beam on. Streetfighter high beam. No. Streetfighter high beam. The low beam. And then the low beam on the motorcycle. Turn off the low beam on the bicycle. Low beam of the motorcycles on. And low beam of the motorcycles off. Low beam of the bicycle on. Bicycle low beam. Bicycle high beam. Low beam. High beam. Low beam. This is from the headlight unit that I modified it. And I'm going to turn on the light on the motorcycle too. There we go. The low beam on the motorcycle is on. Now it's the low beam on the bicycle. So now turn on the high beam on the motorcycle. High beam on the bicycle. All the headlights on the motorcycle off. All the headlights on the motorcycle on high beam. Off, on, off. Now put back your low beam on the bicycle headlight. And then I'll walk around, let you show you guys something. Okay, here's the low beam on the bicycle. And then I put on the high beam. There's the high beam on the bicycle. So, I think that is good enough to show you guys the difference on this modified LED Streetfighter headlight unit compared with the motorcycle headlight. So, if you're interested in this headlight, let me know. Check out my website or look at my Facebook and find my email and contact me. I'm probably going to put this headlight unit on my website a little bit later. It's going to take time to make one, so I'm probably not going to have a lot of them in stock, and I'll just put out one by one. Okay, thank you guys for watching.